So, you've already set your Fiverr gig profile. All of your best work are now in your demo reel. And your description box, looks so good. Everything looks immaculate. And after a nerve-wracking period of time, Fiverr finally sends you a notification. You've got your first order. Now what? There's no need to panic. All you need to do is watch this video and learn how to deliver your voiceover gig file from start to finish on Fiverr. So, let's get started. Hey, what's happening? Welcome back to Speak Easy, where we can talk about your voiceover career, especially if you're just starting out. And if this is the first time we're meeting, hi, my name is Anna. I'm a freelance voiceover talent for a while now, and my goal on this channel is to help you guys out by sharing some tips and tricks that I swear by. So if you're interested in videos like this one, do hit the subscribe button down below. Now, my video, How to Make Money on Fiverr, which I will link up here, was such a hit with you guys that I decided to do a follow-up today. And I thought I'd answer one of the most popular questions down at the comments section, which is how to deliver a voiceover order on Fiverr from start to finish. And by the way, thank you so much for asking such great questions because it makes it so much easier for me to know what it is you need. So once again, like I did in the last video, I'm going to have to invite you to go around here so that you can see my screen. I'll give you some time. All right, so this is an actual order that I got from Fiverr. So you will see me actually deliver it. And what I suggest for you is to stay all the way until the end, and I will show you what can happen if your client is actually happy. So let's start from the beginning. Fiverr will notify you that you have an order. I got a notification from Fiverr from my messages box. This is where I found out that I have an order. I'm going to open that right now. That is the first step, is to know that you have an order. So let's go to the order page. This is how it looks like. First of all, they will give you a reference number for your order. Actually, everything that you will ever need is on here. So you will get paid $15. As you can see, they need up to 200 words and then 0 revisions. They don't need any revisions, and then you have to deliver in 2 days. So let's break down the $15. They added $5 for script proofreading, and so that made it a total of $15. I'm already on my 14th hour. I only have 14 more hours to go. I got this a while back, but I haven't delivered it. So here is the script. Your client will send you the script. I will download it right now, and I will try to show you what the script actually looks like. Let me pull that up for you so that you can actually see it. So there you go. That is the script that she sent me, and I have to go over that and make sure that I know what it is that I'm supposed to do. Reading the script first will actually bring up questions that you may need to ask your client. That is actually the next step, is to read your script and read it well. What else can you find in your order page? You have prompts, right, on your profile. So my prompts are, please send me the script, and also what tone of delivery do you need for this? This is going to be a commercial, the client says. I want it to be inviting and sound elegant, attract audience who want to use my service for interior design and also home staging. And then she says, feel free to change things around in the script if it will make it sound better, which is good for me because sometimes the client do need help with their script, and it will help me deliver it better. And then my third prompt on my profile is if there are any specific instructions that the client wants me to apply. This is so if there's anything that they want to specify, instructions that are not in my first 2 prompts, then this is their chance to actually tell me what they need done. So it says here, if you have a nice simple background music to go with this, then great. Let's skip to the part where I already accepted it, and here she is communicating with me. Like I told you, there is no need to be afraid. There is something that is unclear to to you, you can actually ask your clients. So she said that she's very excited to hear my voice on this one, and she specified that this will only be a 30-second ad, which is good that she specifies that so that I don't take my time when I'm doing my voiceover. And then, of course, you also reply to your client. So I said, thank you so much for your order. I won't be able to provide music as it would need to be royalty free, especially if you are using it for commercials. And I just warned her that she might get copyright infringement. And I said that I'm happy to do the VO, but if you could please help me with the pronunciation of your company's name as well as other names on the script. And I find this very helpful to ask your client if there's anything that's unclear for you, as opposed to just winging it, and you don't ever want to do that. And then she said that I have liberty of changing up the script. And since she said that I only have 30 seconds, I offered to change it up for her and told her that the script is too long for 30 seconds. So that's what I offered to her. And I sent her a revised script, and she says, looks great. And then she did realize that it is a little bit too long. And then what she did for me, I had asked her to help me out with the pronunciation of her company's name. So she sent me a file for that so that I could actually listen to it. So my first step was to actually voice it and see what I would need to cut out to make it to 30 seconds. And then I just showed her every revision that I did. I made sure that she knows what I was going to cut out and what I was going to keep, so that she can tell me, no, that's such an important detail. Please do keep it in there. And then in the end, she had told me to just remove the location. Now that we have her approval, let's record it first. But before that, if you are getting value from this video, do give me a thumbs up right now. And you see that little bell down there? Go ahead and tap that so you will be notified if I have new videos out. All right, let's go back to my screen now. All right, I'm done recording, and I made sure that all the files were excellently recorded. And then I also recorded the full version of her script without extra charge. I just want her to have that option if she can use it in the future. And then the other 3 versions all hit the 30-second mark that she requested for. And it's up to her really what she wants to use, what she thinks is more important for this commercial ad. So let's deliver now. So you just click on deliver now. So, and then here is where you upload your work. So I'm going to give her that option. I will give her option, this one, and then this one, and then this one. So all in all, I have 4 recordings for her, and for $15, that is worth so much more. I know that, but this is what you have to do on Fiverr. You really have to give them options. So this will help you in gaining good reviews and 5 stars, and also for them to keep coming back. So I'm going to deliver my work. The work is delivered. Let me just show you what it looks like. So there you go. So let's go down to the deliver completed work. I've already uploaded. I've included the revision of the scripts that I did for her. All 4 are in here so that she can easily follow all of the recordings that I made, and she can easily track down what I took out and what I kept in there. So again, that's a little extra for your client. So there you go. So let's just wait for the client to respond to us. I heard back from my client, so I'm going to walk you through that again. So let me just share my screen right now. And before we get to my bonus point, please don't forget to hit the like button if this video helped you in any way at all. I really appreciate your support. And another way you can help me to sustain this channel is by not skipping any of the ads. Now back to my bonus point. Here we go. This is what I got. I got a notification again from Fiverr, and it says my order was completed. So let's go down to the thread that I shared with my client. So all of her instructions are here. We talked about this already. You delivered the orders. This was everything that I told her, the revised script that I did for her. And then I attached all of my finished file. So I gave her 4 option right here. So the client is happy. She says, "Thank you. They are great. Your voice is so lovely." Now, let me tell you what can happen if your client is so happy with your delivery, with your finished work. So I'm going to scroll up, and I found out that this client actually gave me a tip. She left me a $5 tip, and that is such a big deal. And she also gave me a 5-star review, which can help you in getting more work because, again, potential clients will go to your review to find out if you are someone they would want to work it. Of course, this is one way of them knowing that you are good because other clients are recommending you. So the client gave me 5 stars, and she also says excellent service and she highly recommends me. She gave me a 5 with how we did our exchange, that I communicated with her well. The service, as described, 5-star. And if she will buy again and recommend, she gave me 5-star for that too. Of course, I thanked her, and I also gave her a stellar review because you would want other voiceover to work with them as well. So I gave her a 5. I says working with a client was a breeze, and I can't wait to work with her again. And there you go. My order is complete. So there you go. I took you on an actual job order so you know how to deliver your work on Fiverr from start to finish. There is nothing to be afraid of. Everything you need to know about the project is there on the job order page. And if it's not, you can go ahead and ask your client. So I hope you get that notification from Fiverr soon and start working on your very first project. If there's anything you need or anything you want clarified, let's get talking down at the comments section. If you're looking for more voiceover tips and tricks, and if you're wanting to improve your communication skills in English a little bit more, go ahead and watch these videos. And with that, I'll wish you all a fantastic day, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!